Hey guys, it's me Veronica and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a planner related video. I know a few videos back I promised to make more planner related material and here we are. I feel like I am etching towards what they call planner piece because I'm like really happy with how this planner is turning out so far. Really just started really using it for school, but I'm really liking how everything is turning out. I did add some expander rings on the outside, and this is a Happy Planner Mini. I added some expander discs, and I just really like the aesthetic of it, and I knew I was going to have a chunky planner because I know I add extra paper for notes, and I love my sticky notes and everything, and folders or whatnot, so I knew this planner was going to be chunky, and I knew it was going to need some expander rings, plus I like the way it looks. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I have my new Happy Planner Mini set up, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm not sure what this planner is, what it's called. All I know is that I went to Walmart, I seen it, it was like dirt cheap. I grabbed it and I've been using it ever since. I really like it for school and I can carry it in my book bag or in my purse, and it really doesn't take that much space. So or take up that much space. So like I said, on the outside, I did add some expander discs, and I'll show you the reason why on the inside. And if you guys know what this planner is called, just leave it in the comments below because I'm not sure. Like I said, I just grabbed it. When you open it, this is what it looks like on the inside. And I do apologize for the glare. It's just the way that my camera is set up and the lighting and everything. On this side, I did put a pocket folder in. And the reason why it looks like this is because it's for the classic size. They had a really good sale at Walmart, and I managed to get, it was like the last pack that was there. It was a pack of 3 for $1. So it's for the classic size, but I put it sideways. All I have in there are some additional sticky notes, and you'll find that I am like obsessed with sticky notes. I use them for every and anything. So I just have some additional ones. These are from the LOL collection. Then I also have some sticky notes on this side. This is from like the teacher's planner pack that comes with the papers, the sticky notes, and the folder. And I just stuck that in there in the front because I'm always reaching for them. And I have these from an older pack that I had. On this side, I just have my dashboard. This was actually in my classic size Happy Planner. What I did was I cut it so that it can fit inside the small, well, the mini. And it's not for functional purposes, it's really just for aesthetic. I like the way it looks. And I just added that in there. When you get to the name page, I just added some letters for my name. I added some stickers from the Paper Studio collection. This is the girls, I think it's the girls sticker book. And some from Farmhouse, and I just decorated it a little bit. If you see this right here, it's because I don't use the year at a glance or 2 years at a glance. I rarely check this page, so I just put a paper clip just to hold it together because I really don't look at that. Let me zoom in. We're gonna get into September. I do like to keep the month at a glance because I like to look and refer back to this for different holidays and birthdays. I try to decorate it a little bit, but I do like keeping this. I know when people Frankenplan, they take this out, but I really like this. So my first, let me zoom out. I'm like too zoomed in. My first week of school, I hated this spread. You know, this is just me the first week just filling this planner out. Then the second week, I didn't have much to do, but I definitely didn't write my planner this time. I was like, yeah, we got to go back to sticky notes. I tried to decorate it a little bit for this week. Mind you, this is just all for school. And I'm trying to incorporate like home. And then we get into this week now. I did add a dashboard here. This is also from a classic size. Like I said, they had a really good deal at Walmart. I got a pack of 3 for $1. I actually got 2 packs because those were the only 2 that were left. So I just cut this one down so that it can fit inside of here. And so that's how I have this spread decorated. I just try to keep the days that I know I'm going to be in school open because I do like put sticky notes or I write things down. And so then we get into October. This is the month at a glance, and as you can tell, I'm excited for Halloween. I put my little Halloween stickers in here. This is from the LOL seasonal collection book, sticker book, I mean. October, first week. Anytime I have any free time, I like to decorate it a little bit. I just feel like when there's like pops of color, it makes me pay more attention to it. So that's the way I have my planner set up. Some people don't like that, but it works out this way for me. That's the second week. Just tried to go with like a color scheme. This is one of my favorites. It's kind of subtle, but I like how the color, like this was my motivation, the pinks with the greens, and I just went from there and just pulled from different sticker books. This is the week before Halloween, and this is my Halloween spread, which I'm very happy and proud of. It just screams Halloween for me without, I feel like, overdoing it. Like, it's not, you know, just stickers everywhere and I can't write anywhere. You know, I still try to make it functional but fun at the same time for me. And then I'm just going to show you up until November because that's all I have decorated, and I'm going to show you the green. I put some little stickers down here for the month at a glance for Thanksgiving and Veterans Day. And this is the first week. This is one of my favorite spreads. It kind of reminds me of Valentine's Day, to be honest, but I really love the colors. I love this little girl right here. It says falling leaves, autumn wishes, and I try to incorporate some of the leaves from that LOL sticker book and some washi that I had. I was trying to challenge myself. I said I was going to use the stickers that I have before I purchased anymore. That was the promise and the challenge that I had for myself. Obviously, when I went to Walmart, I didn't follow through because I ended up getting 2 more sticker books. I got these, and I got, well, that's the old price, but I got them both for $6. So, and I'm pretty sure when I go back next week, they'll probably be $3.50. But hey, I have them now. I tried to go with a theme of coffee for this week. I don't know why. I love coffee. Not my favorite spread, but it's still cute. It says coffee and mascara. And that week, tried to keep it a little simpler so that I'm able to like write down what I need, my scheduling or assignments that I need to complete for the days I'm in school. This is my Thanksgiving spread. Again, I'm not crazy about it, but I went with these as like my inspiration for colors, and I tried to go based on that color scheme of the pinks, the greens, and the purples. And that's all I have decorated. In the very back of this planner, I didn't take any of the months out other than the months that I had already passed, July, August. I think this started in July. So I took out July and August and kept September. I just keep all of my notes. Walmart also had a sale on note paper. So the note paper that I have for this book is on sale for 75 cents. They had 3 packs and I grabbed the last 3 because I'm always jotting down notes and making lists and all kinds of stuff. They also had some dashboards. This was the original sales price, but I actually got these dashboards. These are classic size for $1. So to me, that was a really good deal. I had to grab it. And then I also have some classic size, the same paper for $1 as well. So I took this dashboard from my classic planner and I added it in here. I just cut it down so that it fit because I really like this dashboard and I wasn't using my classic planner anymore. And I just added my list paper. This is list, note paper, kind of like, I don't like the word, but brain dump space, so I can write down everything or anything I might need. When you look in the back of my planner, I put the sticker that I got from the girls sticker book from Paper Studios back here. I just love this image. It's just so cute. And then it says live more, worry less. So that is all. I want to thank you guys for watching. I will be coming out with new videos, more geared towards business related, school related, of course, planner, and some more unboxing videos. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Enjoy your day. Bye, guys.